Ang haggard ko naman. Sobrang oily na mukha ko. Guys, galing ako sa Power Mac SM Mega Mall. Tumawag kasi sa akin si ate from SM Mega Mall. And sabi niya, we already have the iPad Air M4 here sa Philippines. So they have it in stock in SM Mega Mall. Although some other stores, you still have it in pre-order. Pero that particular store or big stores already have the iPad Air. Though in this video, I would madidisappoint kayo kasi I bought something else, not the iPad Air. And I'll explain why I bought it. We're going to unbox this from Power Mac. Again, this, ilang beses ko na pinakita. Just to give you a bit of a history, I think 4 or 5 years ago, or yeah, 4 or 5 years ago, I bought the iPad Pro 12.9-inch Space Gray 6th Gen. So I bought that 4 to 5 years ago. I'm not sure. Maybe even 3 years. No, 4 to 5 years ago. And then, medyo mahina na pala siya kasi M2 lang yun, yung version na yun. It's about time that I purchased this new iPad. Although, I've been waiting for 6 months since October for this iPad Air. Kasi, I realized, why do I need Pro iPads? I'm not even a Pro. I don't really edit stuff and stuff like that. Pero I realized na ang dami talagang benefits na iPad Pro na i-unbox natin. So, ayun. We're going to unbox it now. So today we're going to be unboxing 2 things. I'm gonna try ASMR then. So, you're gonna see that I have this ano kasi, mic. So, baka medyo maingay, pero hopefully you can still hear me. So, we're gonna unbox 2 things, guys. Oh, by the way, we have a special guest. That's, what's his name? Memphis. Hey! Huwag niyo nang tanongin kung bakit Memphis yan. And so, we're going to be unboxing this. And, also, this. So, it's the Magic Keyboard. And, I think you already know, or you already have an idea of what we're gonna unbox kasi this Magic Keyboard I think is specific only to iPad Pro. So and we'll start with the box. Usog natin siya na onte. Or higa ka na lang. Heh! So let's start with the box. The box is, it says, this is the 13-inch iPad Pro 8th Gen. And M5 Wi-Fi only, 256 only with standard glass. So basic model lang yung kinuha ko for the iPad Pro. But the higher yung ano lang, yung mas malaki lang. So let's unbox this. Let's open this up real quick. By the way, guys, inopen ko na to sa store. So just because I had to test it there already, but we're going to try to actually unbox it here and set it up. Ayun, it's the iPad Pro. I'm so excited. Although nakita ko na nga ito sa store, pero I really like this kasi I was supposed to buy the iPad Air as I mentioned earlier. Pero may 120 Hz kasi to, guys. Ayan. So, includes iPad Pro with standard glass, USB-C charge cable. Where does it say that it has? Well, it doesn't say it here, of course, I think. Anyway. So, ayan siya. And then, as you know, Apple boxes, ganyan lang. Apple logo. The name of the iPad. And yung actual iPad. So this is the iPad Pro M5 series, 13 inches display. And let's open this real quick. Ta-da! So it's the iPad Pro. Again, I opened this na sa store, so medyo crumpled na yung paper. because we had to test it. And I had to transfer my old things from my iPad, from my old iPad. Pero na yun pa lang guys, kitang-kita na sobrang nipis niya. Sobrang nipis ng iPad. As you can see. So let's unbox it now. Tingnan na natin yan mamaya. Let's just peel this off. Hopefully sa ano pa rin, satisfying pa rin yung peel kasi I already peeled this up there. Ay, nasira na lang. Sige, I'll just... Ba yan? Sobrang fail naman itong unboxing na to. I just peeled it off na lang, guys. Ayan, it's so pretty. Look! So, it's the iPad Pro. Yes. Ang ganda. It's sobrang black. Sobrang itim. Look at it, guys. Sobrang itim. Yeah, let's see what else is in the box aside from this. Oh, by the way, let's look at also the speakers, the port, and then there's also the speakers at the top, and then the mic. And ang maganda dito, guys, nandito na yung camera. Dati kasi nandito, so ang hirap mag-meeting. Ngayon nandito na yung camera. Yan. So after this, let's check what else it comes in the box. So we have I think these are the ano lang, walang sticker. It doesn't look like it has a sticker. I think it doesn't have a sticker. Pero this is the yung mga ano lang siya. Parang wala siyang sticker, pero we'll open it later and check. So it comes with a brick, and this one is 20-watt charging. 20-watt charging. Then also this cable, which is black. Na-tear siya sa iPad. It's a black cable. Yeah, it's really nice. It's really nice. What else? Okay, so that's the only thing that comes in the box. Now, we'll open yung Magic Keyboard. Ano ba yan? Sayang naman to. We'll open the Magic Keyboard. Thank you so much pala kay ate sa Power Mac, by the way. Kahit sobrang kulit ko. Ayan! It's the Magic Keyboard, guys. Ayan siya. Naririnig ko sa mic? I don't think so. Anyway. Ayan. So, let's open this real quick. Tcharan! It is the Magic Keyboard. Let's check it out. Ay, ang ganda talaga. Dito sa baba, it's already metal. Unlike yung nasa yung huli for the 12.9 inch. So this one is metal, and yung black, although parang dumihin siya kasi I already touched this sa store, so parang dumidikit yung mga fingerprints, pero ang maganda sa kanya, black siya, parang sobrang elegant niya, pero ang dumi na agad. Then let's try to open it. Let's open it. Ay, wow! I'm not sure if you can see it sa camera, guys. Pero look, ano na siya? Parang tela na talaga. I mean, sobrang kapal ng tela compared sa dati. And then this one is metal. Metal to. Metal ba? Or something like that. Parang aluminum. And medyo nakababa yung keys compared sa dati. Ang ganda, guys! Now, let's see. And let's finally set this up here. Let's put this here. Kita ba? Let's put this here. Ayan, it's so perfect. Ang ganda, para na siyang laptop. It's so nice. Let's turn it on. Yay! Yay! It's so nice. It already has my thing. Because nga transfer ko na yung old iPad ko. Pero, it's so pretty, guys. Ayun lang. Oh, one more thing. What also comes in the Power Mac box is, Power Mac bag is, of course, we have the Protect Plus for the insurance, and of course, yung 1 year warranty nila, which I don't have to show, I think. Why do I have to even show that? But ayun, so we have the insurance as well. Ang maganda sa Power Mac, guys, if you purchase, I think 19,000 yung package for the iPad Pro. Or if it gets physically damaged, you will get an replacement for only, and then you only have to pay 20% of the charge. The total amount. Also, if kunwari na nasira siya next year, they will replace your iPad with a newer iPad for that year if they don't have stocks. So it's a really good insurance, guys. Ayun lang. Thank you so much for watching. Ayun, guys. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do like, share, and subscribe. Also, if you have any comments about dapat ba nag-iPad, should I have just gone with the iPad Air still, or is this a good purchase? Please do comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I hope you have a great day, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.